Imagine a time when our solar system was just a swirling cloud of gas, dust, and cosmic debris. Out of that chaos, our home, planet Earth, and its beautiful companion, the moon, were born. This isn't just science, it's our origin story, the reason life exists today. Let's dive into this amazing story. Hi friends, welcome to Spot Angle. The Sun was formed at the center of a massive solar nebula. Around it, leftover gas and dust began colliding, clumping, and merging under gravity. Slowly, small particles grew into bigger ones, forming planetesimals, the building blocks of our planets. One of these became Earth. In its early days, Earth was not the calm, blue planet we know. It was a fiery world with molten rock, constant meteor bombardments, and volcanic activity. Slowly, gravity pulled heavy materials like iron and nickel to the core, while lighter materials floated to the surface, creating Earth's layers, core, mantle, crust. Then came a life-changing gift: water. Scientists believe water may have come from icy comets and asteroids crashing into Earth. Over millions of years, this gave rise to oceans, atmosphere, and eventually the conditions for life. But what about our moon? The most accepted theory is the giant impact hypothesis. Around 4.5 billion years ago, a Mars-sized body called Gaia collided with the young Earth. The impact was so massive that it blasted a huge amount of debris into space. This debris began to orbit Earth, and over time, gravity pulled it together into a glowing ball, our moon. In the early days, the moon was much closer to Earth, appearing huge in the sky. Its gravitational pull played a crucial role in stabilizing Earth's tilt, which gave us more stable regions and climate suitable for life. Without moon, Earth's history and maybe even life itself would have been very different. The craters, mountains, and plains we see on the moon today are scars of that violent past. Yet this lifeless rock has been Earth's constant companion for billions of years, guiding tides, inspiring myths, and becoming humanity's first step beyond our home planet. So the story of Earth and Moon is not just about rocks and its impacts. It's about how a chaotic universe came together to create stability, oceans, life, and finally us. If you enjoyed this journey through time, you'll definitely love my previous video on the birth of the Sun, where we explored how the heart of our solar system came to life. Don't miss it, because the Sun's story is the starting point of today's topic. If you like my analysis, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon. Thank you.